Tanggal. Oh, bakit kayo pupunta?
Ikaw mag-ano.
Hindi ako prepared.
Hi.
Hi.
Ate, hi.
Mass Monday until February.
Hi.
Until February 20.
Mandatory. Okay. Question and answer. There's hundreds of comments there na nagtatanong kung paano magpunta dito or makatulong ba ako? We are hiring caregiver here. Yeah, we are not hired through agency or I was petitioned by my late husband, so that's why I'm here in America. How about you, Loki? You are here?
I'm here because
you're petitioned by your parents, right?
The Philippines kicked me out.
Yeah, her parents. Her parents petitioned her. And ate also petitioned by
my late husband.
Yeah, we're the same. We are single.
That means we are legally
single.
Yeah, we are single
and ready to mingle.
Mga lumang caregiver na tayo dito. I've been here for 14 years.
Wow. In this company, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
14 years old.
Yeah, she's 14. No. You can't work 14 years old.
No,
yeah, I've been here like 4 years now.
Wow.
We are here because we are petitioned by our spouses, family, like that.
And this is United States of America. So it's very strict, especially right now.
How about you, Loki?
I'm here
you hired into
I'm here since the beginning.
The beginning of the company? Unfortunately,
kailangan mo ng sponsor.
Yeah, you need a sponsor or you need someone to petition you.
Pero probably sponsorship talaga is yung
easiest, mas mabilis. Yeah. You came here through
petition ako.
Yeah, petition. So lahat po kami dito petition, wala pong na-hire dito.
Wala pong illegal dito.
How I wish we can help, pero wala po kaming alam.
Maghanap kayo ng jowa sa US.
Yeah, yun na lang. Kasi easiest yun.
Afam.
Yeah. Whoever single,
Employment card, sila nag-employment.
Yeah, they're not hiring outsource or outside country. Unfortunately, how we wish that we can help, but wala po kaming alam na agency or sponsorship.
Yun.
Yeah.
Sponsorship.
Di ba, te? Nag-post na si ate, di ba, te?
Lahat. So, lahat kailangan ng
pera.
Yeah.
Ayun lang. Gulo-gulo na namin. Puro kanin na tira. Thank you very much, Jackie. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Hindi, isa sa